Hello students, today we are going to look at the most fascinating and also the engine of the human body. Now when I say engine, you might have already recognized by the diagram which I have, by the picture we have here, the heart. Okay, now this is an organ which is continuously beating throughout your life. Okay, and once this heart stops beating, then obviously you should understand the person has reached its equilibrium or the body has been dead. Okay, right? Now we will look at the anatomy of this particular heart. This is a human heart, or I can say a mammalian heart. Okay, so the mammals, all the mammals have a 4-chambered heart. Okay children, now this is a mammalian heart, and more specifically this is a human heart. Okay, now we will look at the external structure of this particular human heart. Okay, now these are called as valves. These are all called as valves. Okay, and these nerve endings, these structures which you see, these are the coronary arteries. They are called as coronary arteries. Now you should be aware that heart is a muscular organ. Okay, it is a muscular organ. Okay, now to keep these muscles running throughout the life, these coronary arteries play a major role. Okay, if any person is getting any defect in these coronary arteries, the person's heart stops functioning. Okay, and that disease what the person is suffered from is called as the coronary heart disease. Okay children, now let's go to the valves which I had just showed you. Now if you see these two valves, okay, these two valves are called as the pulmonary veins. Okay, so these two are coming from the lungs and it is entering into the heart. Okay, and this is called as the pulmonary artery. Okay, now here the blood is going out into the back to the lungs. Okay, and this you see, this one is the biggest artery in the human body, which is the aorta. This is called as the aorta, and these are the valves which supplies blood to the entire body. Now if you see this valve here, now this is a superior vena cava. Okay, and if I just toggle this heart a little bit, now the heart starts moving. If I just toggle this heart a little bit, now you see this small valve here. Now this small valve is the inferior vena cava. Okay children, and these valves which you see here, these are all going to the body, and some of the valves are entering into the heart for the pumping. Okay children, now in the next session we will look at the internal structure of the heart as to how it is functioning. We'll look at the transverse section of the heart, and I will tell you how the heart functions internally. Okay children, thank you.